Hi, this is Tom with TomWillardTrading.com. Just doing a quick video update here. It's 2:30-ish in the afternoon Eastern Time. Market's still open, but I had some time here, so I want to do a quick video since I didn't get to do one on Monday. Market is sideways here. You can see the ranges. We've come up a long way, and this is a point of indecision. Typically, what comes of something like this is a retracement down. We take out these lows, and maybe we come to a 40 to 60% retracement area in here. Chances of us going all the way back down these lows is slim. Overall sentiment still somewhat bearish, so that helps with the stock or with the Qs going higher. We are up here near a resistance point from earlier this year too, so that's something to keep in mind, is why this market is going sideways here, and it's a battle between the shorts. The shorts that came in here had a very painful day yesterday, and today those longs are feeling it a little bit more pain today, because we're getting a red bar. It's engulfing. We got sideways bars by bars next to bars. If you look at the 60, you can see the action here. Now there's really nothing. You've got gap support here, but nothing really if this thing turns around to go lower. Initially on the lower time frames, based on what I'm seeing, I'm still looking for the market to retrace some more. I was pretty short heavy this morning. I'll show you a couple of trades. This is one I took here. The Monsanto, if we go down to the 1 minute chart, I'll show you the entry. It was actually pretty beautiful. It was basically a retest of the high here. The Monsanto came ripping up higher, came down, had a topping tail here, retested it, fell apart, came straight down to this low, put in this 4-bar little shelf here, and the short was right here at the half number at 50.50. It moved 50 cents in 2 minutes. You know, obviously, it depends on your share size. It's a really handsome move. You had about a 10-cent stop on this thing, and it moved 50 cents in 2 minutes. Paused. And then as the market was going back up, this one fell apart again and made another 30-40 cent move. And then here's the more advanced entry. This is one of the things that I like for people to watch for, is when this thing starts making these higher lows and higher highs. A lot of people think, oh, okay, the trend's over and it's going higher. But the bottom line is it's just getting ready to fall apart. And if you look at the 5, you'll see that it was right in here. And gap fill target would have been just fine as it took it out easily. Okay, and it came down really aggressively here in 3 minutes and moved over $1 on this move from the shock of this kind of these higher highs and higher lows, where people were thinking, okay, now it's time to go long. And when this starts to fall apart, those dashed expectations can happen in a hurry and be very painful. So you need to be watching for this and looking to take advantage of this. Okay, another one that I saw today that was getting crushed, that put in a pretty interesting pattern, is this one. Now let me go back to the 5. You'll see here almost picture perfect pattern. First off, let's start with the daily. This one's been up and it's extended, and this is something. I mean, look at this thing get crushed. It's basically a $10 move today down, so far anyway. And you'll see here on the 60, it just fell apart. You see where it gapped down. There was tons of void here. There's nothing really holding this thing up. The 15 confirms that, so you just got to look for a way to get on. Well, on the 5, this thing came down aggressively, and then it retraced up. And in here is right where you want to short this thing with a stop above this tail. And initially you're targeting just beyond this tail here, and then just going into a trail mode. As you can see, this was really a no-pain gain. Probably pretty exciting if you were riding this thing. Here's what it looks like on the 1. You'll see the retest, the new high here, okay, and then it can't follow through. It's a no follow through, failed type pattern, which I just love to play. And you can see it's really no pain. Once these things get going, you can forget about support to the left. In a lot of cases, it just goes right down and takes it out. So, there's a couple of plays from today I just want to show you guys. Keep trading well. If you got any questions, give me an email, tom@tomwillardtrading.com, and we'll be doing the psych blog on Thursday. Have a great week and weekend, guys. Talk to you soon.